Welcome to User Management and Real-Time Chat Application video demo. In this video, we'll demonstrate a complete feature of this application step by step. So once we successfully log into the system, then we can definitely have a complete dashboard of this application. So in the dashboard, we can say total online user, total chat, and the recent registered user along with the online status. So most of the all the user is offline right now. Just one user is online. So in the user management, you can create, update, delete, and edit user, and also you can check the online status, start chat from here as well. Also, in the you can manage the system role, manage user role, which is dynamic. If I going to edit the current admin role, then I can see currently have the listed all listed role which I can access as admin user. Also, this application supported audit log. So from here, you can check the DB operation, create an update operation, all DB operation from here. This application supported multi-language. Currently, this application is available English and Arabic language. Let me just switch from English to Arabic. Then it will move to the Arabic language dynamically. I did not add all the text, just template is ready. You can add the text based on your language needs. So I'm just switching from English again. And major feature of this application, the chat. So real-time chat, you can communicate a real-time chat. Here is the listed user. So if I summarize the chat fee module, so this is the right listed user sidebar, and you can search Virat. And in the sidebar, there is a user profile name and online status and name, and the search you can search in the list. Once you are going to click one user, let's say I'm going to click the second user, then this user chat history will load. So history loaded successfully. So we can start a new chat with this user. As we can see, attachment file feature available. We can add attachment file, any attachment, video, audio, chat, audio, chat, image, PDF. So we can also thumbnail preview for the image. We can open the full preview as well, delete the chat instantly, and also we can get the real-time notification if some new user log into the system, then it will automatically move to offline to online. I will show you by opening another window. Also, if we move to the if we scroll down and back to the previous history, you can see the video attachment available, and let me just you can play the video as well. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company. So, and also the image file. So this is the summary of the chat module. So chat module, recently we have updated, like adding new feature, attachment option, edit file you can attachment, preview option, thumbnail option, and video play option. Also the download option for the new attachment. Let me just going to this user. So I have already add the attachment real time chat app user manual, and if I click this, then you can able to download this file. So this is the PDF file you can download from the attachment. And if we go to the real-time chat application user manual, this is the key feature list: user registration, reset password, admin dashboard, recent registered user, identity setting, login user, and this is the listed of chat module feature: real-time chat messaging, super admin to manage the member, real-time delete the message, search everywhere, hidden notification, reply to the message, file attachment, view image attachment, play video attachment, download attachment file, real-time new message notification, real-time user online and offline status. So let me just divide this screen to parts so that we can communicate one user to another user and check the real-time notification, which is the main feature of this application. And let me just open another private window. Uh, yes. So currently, just I'm going to open my chat room. So as we can see, no notification, new message notification. I will log in as a let's say Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli is showing offline now. If we're going to log in as a Virat Kohli, then definitely offline status will be updated to online. Virat login. See, Virat Kohli is login status updated successfully. And if we start chat with Steve Smith with Virat Kohli again, chat room, and here's the Virat Kohli. And just hello, send the hello message. Then the right side, the Steve Smith already notification, new message notification has been added successfully. If we click this Steve Smith, then notification just message has been read and notification gone. And I can send, how are you? Also in the Virat Kohli new notification message enabled successfully. So let me just show you another real-time feature. So Virat Kohli, and also you can check the Virat Kohli profile in the top bar and Steve Smith profile in the top bar as well. I'm just going to just chat room. So Virat Kohli is showing online, and the left side is Steve Smith login as admin, and right side this is the Virat Kohli profile. I'm just going to log out. So Virat Kohli in the login. So also the message showing the green, which is online, and here is the online. If I log out from the Virat Kohli profile, here is the Virat Kohli profile, and sign out. Sign out successfully. So we can see the Virat Kohli is showing offline, and also for the message it's showing the offline as well. Great. So uh, offline status and online status is updating real time. So status is updating real time. So we can add the attachment file as well. I'm just logging as a second user, which is Virat Kohli, so that we can communicate left side to right side. If we go to chat room again, then the Steve Smith, and we can add the attachment file as well. Let me just add one PDF, send. So PDF file added successfully. We can download the PDF, and we can add the image file, video file. Let me just add one image file now. So the attachment, so let me, I have a like this file. So here is the few images and video file, also the text file. Just adding one image, send. So image file added successfully. Also we can, from the right user, we can send the image as a reply. So image file is adding successfully with the thumbnail view. Also we can delete the image or message with the real time. So left side we can see the one image, right side the same image. If we delete the left side, it is automatically deleted and with the notification message removed. Let me just add another video file, nature, send. So video file added successfully, and if we press the play button, then it will play with preview. So summaries, we can add attachment with video, PDF, image, and also have the video file and image file preview option and the other file download option. And if we go back to the other feature, like from the admin panel, so I already explained the user management, system role, and audit log. So we can create the new user. Let me just create one user for test purpose. Test user. I'm just adding just test random data. A1, password 123, 123, select general user, save. So A1 user created successfully, and if we go to like user list, so A1 is showing offline now. Now I'm just going to log in as a A1 user, so that we can check the A1 user login status. Here is the test user, which is offline now, and I'm just here is the right side, and Virat Kohli. I'm just going to sign out, and Virat Kohli sign out, and showing offline the Virat Kohli as well. If I going to log in as a new test user A1, then this user online status will be updated automatically. See test user online status update successfully, no message, which is zero message, and test user, we can see the test user profile. And if we go to the test user chat room, then we can have a chat. Steve Smith, hello. So send one hello to Steve Smith. If we go to the Steve Smith, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you here. Send. So Steve Smith. So it is the chat user one to chat user Steve Smith communication. So I'm going to send again test message. So text message. We can delete the text message real time. So message is deleted. So if we summarize this application again, so let me summarize the application. I'm just closing the test user and by signing out. So test user sign out successfully, and this is the admin user, basically Steve Smith as the admin user. If we summarize this application is complete user management with the dynamic role management. Some user can access entire application, which is admin user, and the general user cannot access full application of this real-time chat application. So which is dynamic role management. Using role management, you can control the user accessibility, and you can check the audit log history, complete user management, and the chat module. I already explained. We have a listed of chat user, and you can search, and once you click the chat, then it will load the chat history. You can preview the attachment, add new attachment, download attachment, also the play the video option. And if we let me just open this real-time chat application feature list with user manual basically. So technology, we have used .NET Core 6.0 Entity Framework Core, and you need to install Visual Studio Community 2020 or later, and SQL Server and .NET SDK 6.0. And here is the just overall manual how you can run this project. In the database connection, which is important, you have to make sure your connection is string. So this is your connection string, and you have to pass your like SQL Server name, username, and password properly in the application.json file. No need to create database manually or from the management studio. Just to build the project and run the project, application will create the database, and you don't need to run the migration as well. Already migration, latest migration added into the code base. And browse the full application dashboard, and here is the chat room, some clips with UI and tutorial support. So hopefully you will like this application. And if we go to the code base, let me just give you a simple overview of this code base. Just give me a few seconds. So I open my application with VS Code. So this is the MVC ASP.NET application with monolithic architecture. So single application, we try to make it simple, and we have a controller, listed controller, and the model, we have a list of database table name, and the view model for performing the UI operation. In the view, we have the application view and the www root folder. In the JS, in the front end, we have used jQuery and JavaScript view, JavaScript user chat. This is the main application and the heart of the application. We have complete we just make sure attachment file operation here, attachment file underscore operation, and db operation like create, update, delete in the chat operation, and chat book dynamic content. Here is the we are loading function wise dynamic content, so we have performed dynamic content here. And the SignalR, which is the major feature of this application. Using SignalR, we have performed the real-time notification from one chat user to another chat user. And sidebar, this is the sidebar content. And if you like this application, then we'll provide the entire source code of this application with with proper documentation and the video tutorial as well. And you have to make sure just build the application, just you have to make sure locally install .NET SDK. How you can check your .NET version? Let me just open my terminal. CLS .NET version. Check your .NET version. I have already installed the latest one. You can check the other version as well. .NET Info. If you type the .NET Info, you can get the listed .NET SDK. So I have installed 567 all the information here. So just you have to install .NET SDK, SQL Server, and make sure the DB connection. If it is correct DB connection, I have using con MSQL. This is my server name and this is my username and password. You have to make sure these things. And connection string I'm passing dynamically from here. You just make sure who is connection string you are going to use. 1 2 3 4. Just copy and paste here and make sure this line properly. So thank you again watching this complete video, and I'm just going to close this video. So once again, I'm just giving you our full summary of this application. Core feature of this application like real-time chat, and along with real-time chat, we have additional lot of feature like attachment file, view attachment preview for image and video, and download option for the other attachment file. And also along with you can perform the full accrued operation for user management and role management and also the audit log. So we have used .NET 6.0 in this application, and this is the MVC application and single application. And we have on the front end we have used raw JavaScript and jQuery by creating our internal template. We have customized everything so that code base will be simple. And for the data grid operation, we have used jQuery data table for paging, sorting, and searching operation. So thank you again. See you in the next video.